got done at the gym, and it's actually funny because this is my old apartment complex. You might recognize that gym from some of my older vlogs, but my sister just moved in here. So now we can use that gym again, so that's really exciting.
What? I'm trying to think of the benefit I'm missing out on if I...
So on Saturday this week, we ended up going to a campground with my parents, which was really nice. We just stayed for the day, but we went on a little hike, we played some cards, had a fire, it was super fun.
60.
It just started hailing like a lot. Oh my god, look at that. It's crazy. So yesterday at the store, I needed creamer and I got this blueberry scone creamer, so I'm gonna try it now. Well, I normally drink hot coffee, but this is cold coffee. I made it this morning and put it in the fridge, so we'll see how I like it. Taste test. It's okay. I think I'd like it better with hot coffee, so I'll try that tomorrow, but this is fine for today. Okay, I put like a tiny bit more, just like normal creamer in it. I have this sweet and creamy. It's almost gone, that's why I bought a new creamer. But I put a tiny bit of that in because it was really bitter and it helped a lot. So this is pretty good, I don't mind it. So of course it's raining again, so I'm gonna go to work, but then I actually have a really exciting day planned. I have a girls' day type of thing with my high school friends that I'm doing when I get off work, so that'll be really fun. Okay, so it's storming again. I think it's supposed to stop in a couple hours, and I'm supposed to go to work from 9 to 3 today, but I think I'm gonna do 10 to 4, so I hopefully can skip over the rain. I don't know what's going on with Iowa. It's just like really, really, really stormy. It was crazy last night at like 3 a.m. I woke up and I looked outside and oh my God, it was crazy. We were under like a severe thunderstorm warning. So I don't know, Iowa weather, it's crazy. So I put my blueberry muffin creamer in my hot coffee this morning and I like it much better. I still had to add some of like my normal sweet cream creamer. I think the blueberry muffin creamer isn't super sweet and I like my coffee pretty sweet. So next time maybe I'll add some more sugar to my coffee. It's still kind of bitter, so yeah. Okay, so I am currently on the way to my parents' house for dinner, and my car started making really weird sounds. So I called my dad, I pulled off. I'm at this really, really shady Quick Star. Look at those freaking decrepit houses. There's some weird people around here, I don't know. But I can't leave for like 15 minutes until my dad gets here, so I'm just gonna hang out in my car for a minute. But a storm is coming, and my boyfriend just called me. He's in Des Moines, which is a couple hours away from here, and they have tornado warnings there, so I'm really hoping that the storm stays away for a minute until my car can get fixed, or I can get home with my dad or something. Editing Emma here. I completely forgot to tell you what happened after this. So basically my car, the muffler was messed up. 2 of the pipes had rusted, and I went and got it fixed last week, so it's all good now. It didn't actually damage my car, it was just a little bit expensive. And then the whole storm thing, it did storm. There was a tornado warning, the sirens went off, we had to go in our basement, but it didn't touch down near me, so that was good. It did flood a lot, which you'll see in a little bit. All of the fields on my way home were flooded. The creek in our town ended up flooding a little bit, but I think everyone was safe in our town, so it ended up being okay. Okay, this is so random, but why do people design things in Photoshop? I will never understand. Okay, I had to show you the dress that I got today at Goodwill. It's so pretty. It was $6.50. It was like way too pretty not to buy. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this, but it's so pretty. I got another one too, which I'll show you. So this is the other dress I got. It's Target brand, so it's Wild Fable. And I'm really happy with this one because it's cute and comfy and for summer. And I'm really looking for more like casual summer dresses right now. And also it's not too short, which I have a problem with since I'm almost 6 feet tall. So usually things are very, very short on me, but this hits like mid-thigh, so it's like a good length. And it's really cute, so I'm really excited. I really lucked out at Goodwill today. Okay, I just found the perfect spot to sit and read. It's at this like bike park, I think, like for like extreme biking, like there's a trail that way, but there's like absolutely nobody here. And because the park I usually go to is flooded right now, this is perfect. It's bright and sunny and there's nobody here. Literally my car is the only one in the parking lot, so it's really nice. I'm pretty happy with this.